Hi, welcome to In and Around Computer. In this video, we are going to see selection sort algorithm. The last video we have seen the bubble sort. Now we are moving to the selection sort, which is a simple comparison based sorting algorithm. And this divides the array, that is array which is a list of elements, and this divides the array into two parts, which is the unsorted part and the sorted part, and this is based on the idea of finding smallest or largest element in the unsorted array and placing it at the correct position in the sorted array. So this is the technique behind this selection sort, and this will result into the increasing the length of the sorted array by 1 and decreasing the length of the unsorted array by 1 after each iteration. So this is the simple comparison based approach of the sorting algorithm, the selection sort algorithm. Now we can see it with an example. To understand this, we consider list of elements that which consist of 1, 10, 23 and minus 2, and now we are going to sort this in an ascending order, and if in every pass the smallest element is found in the unsorted array and swapped with the first element of the sorted array. The process starts with finding the smallest element in the unsorted array, and the pink color represents the smallest number in the unsorted array, and the green color which represents the sorted array, and the red color which represents the correct position for the smallest number in the unsorted array. And in the first pass, the whole array is unsorted array, and we find that this minus 2 is the smallest number in the array, and after finding this as the smallest number, it is swapped with the first element of the array, which is the technique behind this selection sort process. And in the second pass, the length of the sorted array is increased by 1 after each iteration, and after the first pass the length of the sorted array is 1, and rest of the array is unsorted array, and 1 is the smallest number in the unsorted array, which is swapped with the first element of the unsorted array, and after this swap the length of the sorted array and the unsorted array will be 2. So this is the result after the second pass, and kindly observe this. And now we move to the third pass, and here we find that 10 is the smallest number in the unsorted array, and this is swapped with the first element of the unsorted array. And in the fourth pass, we find that 23 is a only number in the unsorted array and found to be at the correct position now. So after this we get the array in the sorted order, ascending order. So I hope you understood the technique behind this selection sort algorithm. Subscribe to my channel if you feel contented.